Hello, I'm Barkley Rope with Tiger Capital Management, a registered investment advisor here in the state of Idaho, bringing you your weekly trend update, helping you stay on the right side of the market. Today, I wanted to share with you a tool that investors can use to help them stay on the right side of the market. But here's the key. Most investors are still employed and have most of their retirement assets within their 401k or 403b with the company that they work with. They can't roll that money out until they are unemployed or separated from service or retired from that company. So they usually don't have a lot of good investment advice in order to help them move their funds around so that if the market starts to fall, they can move their money to cash, or to know which funds they should be invested in as far as which are the best performing. So I've created a newsletter, and we can see here I've brought up one. There's many different 401k, 403b accounts. This one is specifically, as we can see here on the screen, is for Idaho State University's TIAA-CREF 403b retirement plan. And if we scroll down to the third page here, what I've done is I've taken all of the funds available within the TIAA-CREF 403b for Idaho State University, and we can see that there are 24 different funds, and I've gone ahead and ranked them from number 1 to number 24. Now I come out with this newsletter and I run the analytics on a monthly basis, and so they're updated monthly, but we can see here that number 1 is the best performing for this month versus number 24 was the worst performing. And I'm just going to show you real quickly the difference. So if we look at this symbol, TRSPX, and we pull up this ticker symbol, okay, we can see that this is the TIAA-CREF S&P 500 index, and we can, just by looking at this chart, we can see that we have this gradually upward sloping line. And that just by looking at that, we can tell that it is performing better than if we take the worst performing one for this month, the mid-cap growth TRGMX, and just compare the two. We can see just by looking at the chart, we can see quite a bit of a difference. So we can see that this fund did really well, but then it fell off. And it's been below, this blue line, remember, represents the 200-day moving average, and it's been below that 200-day moving average for the last few months here. And so when we look at the newsletter on a monthly basis, what we're doing is we want to make sure that our funds, specifically if you're, in this example, an employee at Idaho State University and you participate in the TIAA-CREF 403b retirement plan, that you stay in, somewhere here in the top 10 at all times. And so if you're invested in something that falls below, you want to exit that and replace it with one of these in the top 10. The other thing that we always want to look at is the long-term trend direction, which for me is vital in investing success. And we want to make sure that we're always in an uptrend. If for some reason, we can see down here, this mid-cap growth is in a downtrend, we don't want to put any money in that specific fund. So at some point, all of these, 1 through 24, they could be in the long-term trend direction could be in a downtrend. These could all say downtrend. And even though numbers, say, 1 through 10 are the best performing on a relative basis, if they say downtrend, you want to make sure that you do not put money into them. And if you have money in those, you move those out into a cash equivalent, a money market, something like that within your retirement plan. And so this is a tool that I've designed to help the individual investor that has the majority of their funds within their 401k, their 403b. They can't roll that money over until they're retired, and still need some direction as far as how to allocate their funds within that retirement plan. Now, if you have questions, and if I don't have one of those plans available for your specific company, please feel free to give me a call and I can create a new template that follows the options that are available in your retirement plan. Once again, if you need access to this, give me a call. My number will be at the end of this video, or you can email me also. And so I just wanted to reiterate that this tool is available and can help you, like I always say, stay on the right side of the market. So let's look at our long-term trends for today, starting out with U.S. stocks represented by the S&P 500. All right, here we can see that price is above the 50-day moving average, also above the 200-day moving average, so we're still in a confirmed uptrend with U.S. stocks. Foreign stocks, we can see that price is still above the 50-day moving average and still above the 200-day moving average, so we're still in a confirmed uptrend with foreign stocks. Real estate investment trusts, we can see price is just right above the 50-day moving average, still well above the 200-day moving average, so we're still in a confirmed uptrend with real estate investment trusts. Commodities, we can see that commodities are above their 50-day moving average, also above their 200-day moving average, so we're in a confirmed uptrend. Commodities. And bonds are right above their 50-day moving average, also above the 200-day moving average, so we're still in a confirmed uptrend with bonds. So let's go ahead and look at that one more time. U.S. stocks are in a confirmed uptrend. Foreign stocks are in a confirmed uptrend. Real estate investment trusts are in a confirmed uptrend. Commodities are in a confirmed uptrend. And bonds are in a confirmed uptrend. So that wraps it up for today. I'm Barclay Roper with Tiger Capital Management, bringing you your weekly trend update, helping you stay on the right side of the market. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to give me a call or email me. Thanks, and we'll see you next week.